The Vishnu Purana explains that when human society is established through Manu, the next necessity is governance. Civilization cannot survive on ethics alone. It requires rulers. But kingship, according to the Purana, is not a privilege. It is a burden tied to cosmic responsibility. A king is not chosen by birth alone. Birth gives position, but Dharma gives legitimacy. When rulers act in alignment with Dharma, society remains stable. When rulers fall into greed, fear, or ego, society collapses regardless of wealth or power. The Vishnu Purana makes this point repeatedly. The decay of civilization begins at the top. When rulers abandon truth, violence spreads downward. Disorder is not random. It flows from corrupted authority. This is where Vishnu's role becomes active. Vishnu is not constantly intervening. He allows karma to unfold. But when imbalance reaches a point where Dharma can no longer sustain itself, Vishnu descends as an avatar. An avatar is not merely a divine appearance. It is a corrective force. Vishnu incarnates to restore balance, not to punish humanity. The Purana emphasizes that avatars arise when suffering becomes structural rather than individual. Kings who rule through fear, exploitation, or falsehood accelerate the collapse of an age. The Vishnu Purana explains that at such times, divine intervention becomes necessary to reset moral order. Avatars do not eliminate evil entirely. Evil is part of the cosmic process. Avatars limit its dominance so that evolution can continue. This is a crucial distinction often misunderstood. The Vishnu Purana describes several forms of Vishnu's intervention. Sometimes he appears as a king, sometimes as a warrior, sometimes as a teacher. The form matches the nature of the imbalance. Kingship, in its ideal form, mirrors divine order. A king is meant to protect the weak, uphold justice, and preserve spiritual knowledge. When kings become predators instead of protectors, they invite destruction upon their own rule. The Purana also explains why power corrupts. Power magnifies inner tendencies. A ruler without self-mastery becomes dangerous. This is why spiritual discipline was considered essential for kings. Rulers were expected to study sacred knowledge, consult sages, and govern with restraint. Kingship was never meant to be absolute authority. It was meant to be service. When this principle is forgotten, Vishnu intervenes not to favor one group over another, but to re-establish the conditions in which Dharma can function again. The Vishnu Purana makes it clear that divine descent does not end suffering permanently. Each restoration is temporary. Cycles continue. Decline will return. This is not pessimism. It is realism. Humanity is given repeated chances to live consciously. Avatars reset the field, but humans must walk the path themselves. In the next episode, we will examine the Dashavatara, the 10 primary incarnations of Vishnu, and how each corresponds to a specific stage in cosmic and human evolution.